Hello all, welcome to Excel Academy. So today we are having two problems on endpoint DFT. So one problem is this particular, that is cos 2 pi divided cos 2 pi k naught n by n. This problem we have here, it is not n, it is k. Please to make a small correction, so it is k. So here we are going to work out with respect to 0 is lesser than or equal to k lesser than or equal to n minus 1, and one of this kind of problem we are solving one particular problem, this kind of problem, okay, not this one, somewhat a different one we are going to solve. Let us start doing that. So before that, yesterday whatever I told you, please to understand with respect to circuits. So it was a calculator, it was a mistake given in the book itself, so we just checked in the calculator and we got to know about that. So please to make sure that you're going to correct it. So it is not minus minus and minus, it is plus and minus, right? So your resultant that you got was some minus 4.16 minus 4.16j, right? It is not minus 4.16, it is 4.16 minus 4.16j. That one you need to understand and remember, okay? And one more thing is that please do don't feel bad that I told that it is a difficult subject and we can't give assurance on the questions, types of questions that come in a particular topic, right? It is, I'm telling you the reality, because you don't know how the question come from that particular topic. So that is why I also told you to see through all the materials that comes near you, either your textbook, either your notes, or any other that you get outside resources. I'll also check with outside resources. I'll also going to teach you those problems without fail. That is, I'll take one session for that separately, and I'm going to help you in all the ways. What you people have to do is, you people, when you see any problem, try to understand the logic that is applied in the problem. It is KVL only. I'm not telling it is not a KVL. In loop analysis, it's a KVL only. But what is that going to happen is that you people have to understand how it is working, how the KVL is working, how we are applying KVL. In some of the questions, there might be a current given directly, wherein you need not to apply the KVL to find that particular current. In some question, what I can say, there might be resistance between two meshes, or sometimes there might be a super mesh analysis. So all those things you need to understand. There are some small things that you need to understand. Even after doing the cable, you have to do some small things that you need to understand, and you need to understand the Kramer's rule properly. All those things you have to understand. That is why I'll tell you, when you see any problem, try to understand the logic inside the problem and try to know those logic, and if you get the same logic in another problem, you can just apply, right? Yes, there might be some small changes in the diagram wherein you have to understand that. A sign convention you have to understand. So a sign convention is the major thing which will yield you good marks, or else it will not yield you good marks. You need to know the sign convention. According to the sign convention, your KVL equation is designed, right? So that is why try to understand all the logic that you see when you see any problem, and please to understand the logic and then try to solve the problem, right? Even I am also going to do many problems. I'm telling you the logics there. Logics in the sense, I'm going to explain you the diagram wherein you get to know the logic. It is something different than the other, the last problem that we did. You will get to know. That is why I'm going to help you in many ways, students. Please don't get started, okay? So just a minute, students. I'm so sorry.